I just got it all cleaned up, nice and pretty and shiny. But I've already gone through some puddles, so it fucked it up. Welcome to Texas. Let's do this. Holy shit. I swear this thing surprises me every single time I get on it. Anyways, my name is Cody, or Fat Man Two Wheels, and I'm on a 2007 VTX 1800, and I fucking forgot to put those damn rubber things on. Shit. I literally always forget to do this shit. I even forgot to plug this son of a bitch in. Oh my god. I'm losing my mind already. I'm really gonna lose my mind once I turn right here. Good old infamous Garth Road. Oh! Fuck. Yeah, see, it already starts out bumpy and rocky. What up, homie? Damn, she didn't have a problem. Yeah, this is gonna... I'm gonna either... Okay, we're good. Fuck. I don't have enough time to put it on. Shit. Does that say student driver? Fuck yeah, man. Stay the fuck away from me, dickhead. These sunglasses are like hurting the fuck out of my face. Anyway, it's been a long fucking day, man. It's not even summertime here in Texas, but I swear to God, it's Satan ballsack temperature out here. I mean, it's like two rats fucking in a wool sock or some shit. They say it's like 88 or 90 or some bit. Bruh. It ain't even summer yet, man. Fuck. We're gonna fucking die once it comes. Holy shit. Don't do meth, kids. At least she's driving an old school fucking Escalade, son. She's like a high class meth head. Fuck yeah. So anyway, this time of year in Texas, I'm in the Houston area anyway. This time of year in Texas, it really sucks fucking ball sacks to ride anytime after 10 in the morning and then like before 6 p.m. at night, because I mean, I know you guys probably have heard about the Houston traffic situation we got the fuck going on over here. Well, everybody and their mamas thinks it's a good idea to fucking move here, but like we already had everybody and their mamas, so well, it just caused the issue, man. And you're sitting there fucking cooking like you're a fucking shrimp on a bobby or some shit. Like, that's why I end up fucking lane splitting. Like, I'll take that fucking ticket, man. I ain't trying to sit here and fucking die. Like, I know I chose to ride a motorcycle, but I'm fucking cool that way, man. Fuck. There ain't nothing better than riding motorcycles. This is one of the best natural, like, depression therapies out there, man. It's like, holy shit. This is half of Texas right here. Compensating. Oh, Garth Road. What's up, baby? Shit. Let me get in that boat with you, girl. Damn, what's up? Oh! We're about to make it to Nut Crush, parts of the road. Every fucking time, there ain't no stop. Fuck that shit. This road is just absolutely horrible. And then there's the people, like the cagers. Like, that's the cherry on top. A cherry that's going to fucking kill you. And that's where my bike is loud as fuck. I can't hear like as much, but everybody else says that it's loud as fuck. So that's good for me. Ain't no drone in my ear, and you know I can actually hear my music through my Sena. But these other motherfuckers can't hear themselves think when I'm around, so we good. Holy shit. I hit a fucking puddle as soon as I started accelerating. Hey, baby girl. You're not quick enough. You're not quick enough. Take it slow. Don't get distracted by that. Dude, these are the worst fucking two lights ever. That's the first time I've never gotten stopped at one. Like, you're either gonna hit one or miss one and hit the fucking other. I think they do that just to piss people off, and that's why accidents happen over here. Because people are pissed off and road raging and just don't give a fuck about anybody. See, I told you there was gonna be somebody else who had to compensate a little bigger. I don't even know where the fuck I'm riding to. I'm just riding, and that's probably the best thing ever. Anyway. God damn. I almost killed myself. Hey, that's my old neighbor. Where the fuck? Dude. Oh, shit. Okay, we go. I mean, today, like, I didn't know you had Prius power. Holy fuck. That motherfucker's close as shit to me. It is still hot as fuck. I mean, today, Junior. Finally, fucking A. Oh, don't haul too much ass. Don't hurt yourself. I'm gonna go give him the beans real quick. Get us with that red light. Oh shit! Watch this. I guarantee he probably takes off fast. I'm probably gonna spin like a motherfucker though. I'll give him a little bit of a head start. Nice try, Pancho. Fuck yeah. What the fuck is what like a what the fuck's going on here? I don't see a stop sign, so I'm gonna keep it. Oh fuck. Holy shit, I'm a dickhead. Hey, yo, Holmes, somebody's still in your truck out there, man. Go out there and get him. plus years ago. And bye-bye.